Be using the new, is it new now? Because I'm late to the business. I'm late now. I'm going to be using the Made by Mitchell Truth Tint. This is it. I think this is a tinted moisturizer. I'm going to use this brush by Jessup. It's going to dab where I need it. It's my first time using this. So first impression. Even with it being a tinted moisturizer, the coverage is not bad. And if you have hyperpigmentation, dark spots, I would suggest you color correct before using this product. It's very lightweight on the face. The coverage is not bad. If you don't like full beats, this tinted moisturizer is for you. It's not bad.